ring expansion and ring contraction. I'll make clear in the carbonyl rearrangement. Ring expansion meaning there is expansion of ring, means less number of carbon atoms in ring. Suppose there is a 5-member ring, then it will go into 6-member ring, 7-member ring, 8-member rings, means there is an increase in number of carbon atoms in rings. This is called ring expansion. Ring contraction means ring size decreases, this is called ring contractions. And ring expansion, when ring size increases, this is called ring expansion. By the name you can understand. And ring expansion and ring contractions occur along with there is maybe one more rearrangement is possible. Ring expansion, ring contraction is happening, and along with there, if there is a possibility to become more stable carbocation, then there may be a methyl shift, alkyl shift, phenyl shift can occur. But this is not necessary that always it will occur. Whenever there is a possibility to become more stable carbocation, then there is a ring alkyl shift, methyl shift, phenyl shift occur along with the ring expansion and ring contraction. I'll give you some examples. Suppose this is a carbocation, this is a 4 carbon rings, and this is a carbocation. If this become a 5-member rings, then 5-member carbocations, 5-member rings carbocation, then that will be more stable. Here is the 1 degree carbocation, this is a less stable. If this come into the ring, then it will become this in this way. If this come to these positions, it will become more stable. That's why by this ring expansion, this will shift to this position, and this carbocation will come to this position. This is a slowly happening. This plus charge slowly shift to this positions, and then finally plus charge will come to this positions. This will go to this position. This will go to this positions. Now 1 2 3 4. Here is a 1 2 in 2 positions. From 1 to 2 positions, carbocation will come. Here in these 2 positions, the carbocation is already now reached. And this is the equivalent structure of this. This is not drawn in good manner, but this is drawn in a good manner. Now this carbocation is here. This is a more stable carbocation than this carbocation. Here one more rearrangement is not occurring. There is a not methyl alkyl shift. Only this is a ring expansion. So it is also right. If there is a here it is forming more stable carbocation, so it is a fine. Now this is a 5-member rings. If it will become a 6-member ring, then the carbocation will be more stable. Here is the 1 degree carbocation. If this 6-member ring will form, this will be more stable carbocation. Similarly, this alkyl go to these positions, and this is a plus charge slowly shift to these positions. Plus charge will come to this position. Now this is become a 6-member ring. 6-member ring is equivalent to this is a 6-member ring has a plus charge. This is the equivalent structure. It is drawn in a good manner, but it is not drawn in a systematic manner. Now it is drawn in a systematic manner. Here is a simply 6-member ring, as there is a 1 degree carbocations. If you will expand this ring, it will become a 7-member ring. But 6-member rings is more stable than the 7-member ring. So this 6-member rings, here is the carbocation is more stable than the 7-member rings. 7-member rings carbocation is less stable. That's why this is a more stable. In this position, this is a more stable carbocation. So there is a no rings expansion, ring contraction will not occur. Here is a ring expansion, ring contraction will not occur. Here is a alkyl halide shift will occur. Suppose here is a hydrogens. One hydrogen is there. Here is a one hydrogens. Only one hydrogen is there. Here is a one hydrogen is there. This hydrogens will shift to these positions, and now this plus charge will come to this position. Now the structure will be this structure will be formed, not this structure. 6-member ring is already more stable than the 7-member ring. That's why this 6-member ring carbocation will be more stable than the 7-member ring. So this structure will be formed, not this structure. So ring expansion will not occur. So we have to think all the aspects of stability. Here is a 6-member rings. Carbocation is there. There is no chance to become 7-member rings. So in this structure, this bond will shift to these positions. The carbocation will come to these positions. After this, carbocation will come to these positions. After the shifting, here it is shifting. Now this bond will join to this bond. Now this bond is forming 1 2 3 carbon. Here the carbocation will come. Now after this carbocation, this methyl will shift to this position, and after will come to this position. This will be the more stable carbocation position. That's why this methyl is shifting. Now this methyl is come to this position. This is a more stable carbocation. That's why in this way there is a expansion occur and rearrangement is happening. Methyl shift occurring to become a more stable carbocation. Here in this structure, there is a shift of this methyl. A carbocation will come to this position. Now this carbocation will come to this position. So we can count the numbering. Here it will shift to these positions. See, this is a similar structure. What is this structure? This structure is similar. If you count the number of carbon atoms, will be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. Here is a 2 joint. 1 joint, 2 joint. So here is a 1 joint, 2 joint is there. Here is a carbocation will come. Here is a carbocation is shown. Now after the hydrogen shift, this carbocation will come to this positions. This is a methyl. Here is a phenyl. There is a phenyl. This phenyl carbocation will be more stable than this position. That's why this will shift to this position. There is a hydrogen shift is occur. Here is a ring expansion and here is a hydrogen shift is occurring. So two rearrangement is possible in the ring expansion and ring contractions. Now in these examples, I'll make little smaller. Now this structure is shown. This is a 4 carbon rings. If this it will this become 5 rings, then that will be more stable. So to become a 5 rings, this will shift to these positions and it will become this. Here this carbocation will come to here in this structures. This will shift to these positions. A carbocation will come to this position. Here this position carbocation is shown. Now after the rearrangement, this carbocation will be in these positions. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is in the second position. The carbocation is there. Actually the numbering is not right. It is a 1, 2, 3. Actually this will be 2. It will be 1. This will be 5. This will be 4. This will be 3. It is a 2, 1. In these two positions the carbocation is there. This is a minor. If this carbocation will come to these positions, after this when this will be shift, when this bond will shift to this position, the carbocation will come to this positions. This carbocation will come to this position. After this carbocation will come to this position, here is a one hydrogen. This after the hydrogen will shift and this carbocation will come to these positions. Now this carbocation will come to these positions. This carbocation is more stable than this carbocation. Here is a only 2 degree carbocations. Here is a 3 degree carbocations. So this carbocation is more stable. That's why this is a major product. So we have to make all the possible product. Which one, whatever the structure is possible. So you have to make all the possible structure. I have to check which one is a major products. This major product will be our answer. Now this is a ring contraction. Ring contraction means become a stable smaller ring than the bigger ring. Here is a 7 member ring. So 6 member rings will be more stable than the 7 member ring. So this is a ring contraction will occur. Here this will shift to these positions. Now it will join to these positions. Now it will become a free. This will join actually these positions. It will become a free. Now it will become free. This is a plus charge will come to this position, 1, 2 positions, and here is the carbocation is shown. After the rearrangement, carbocation will come to these positions. After the rearrangement, this hydrogen will shift to this position. Carbocation will come to this position. So this is a ring contraction is occurring to become a more stable carbocation. This is a 6 member rings carbocations. It will become a 5 member rings carbocations. But the 6 member rings carbocation is more stable than the 5 member rings carbocations. If this hydrogens will be there, this hydrogen will shift to this position and carbocation will come to this positions. So 6 member ring carbocation is more stable than the 5 member ring carbocation. That's why this will be more stable than this compound. So this is a ring contraction will not possible in this structure. Here in the similar way, this is a 4 member ring. Now the 5 member rings carbocation. Now 4 member rings carbocation is forming. But this 5 member rings carbocation is more stable than the 4 member rings carbocation. So this structure is wrong. We cannot do ring contractions. In this structure, 4 member ring carbocation is there. This is a cyclopropyl carbocation. Cyclopropyl methyl carbocation is more stable than the 4 member rings carbocations. That's why there is a contraction is occur. This will shift to this position. This will shift to these positions. Here it will join. Now this is a join. Now this plus charge will move to these positions. Plus charge is shown. Now this is a similar structure to this structure. This is a circular propyl methyl carbocation. I have already explained the order of carbocation stability. In this, in where there is a cyclic propyl methyl carbocation is more stable than the 4-member ring carbocations. Here in this structure, this is 7-member rings. If this becomes 6-member ring of the contraction, then that will be carbocation is more stable. So here is a contractions is occur. This will shift to these positions. Now it will join to these positions. Here it is joining. Here is this carbocation will come to these positions. This is blocking, so this is position will come carbocations. Here is a carbocation is shown. This carbocation is similar to this structure. This carbocation is more stable. Here methyl is shown. Here is a phenyl is shown. Actually this is a wrong. Here is a methyl. So this carbocation is more stable. In this way there is a contractions is occur and more stable carbocation is formed. Now we will learn about the carbonyl.